So how to remove the Threads badge from your Instagram profile. Today in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. So follow up with me. First, you need to open Instagram and then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner right there. From here, you should find the badge right here and it should look something like that. So to remove it, go ahead and tap on it. It will take you to this screen. Tap on hide badge at the bottom and it will be hidden forever. But if you want to hide this badge at the top or shortcut right there, all you need to do again is to go ahead and tap on edit profile this time. Now from here you find this switch at the bottom. All you need to do is to switch it off and then tap on the tick in the top right corner. Once you quit from here after that, you will not find the badge anymore. But this one you can get back. So tap on edit profile, tap on the switch right here again, and then tap on the tick in the top right corner to save the changes again. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.